The Buddha is the way of life. If any person doing and talking same, the Buddha's way. Buddha is the nature, Dhamma is the nature, Sangha is the following or follower of nature. Always think about Buddha and do as Buddha told. Now in the world, very emergency period of coronavirus. Why our mistakes? The corona virus is spreading throughout the world. All the people want to defeat coronavirus, but some people of India and some people of world who are follower of wine, not Buddha. In India, opened shops of wine till the wine shops were banned. Drinkers were not going to shops and they followed the Buddha way. If any person following Panchshila of Buddha, he will increase the self-confidence and physical distance and well maintain the discipline, self-discipline in his mind. The corona virus will go from world. Buddha told before 2560 years old, 60 years ago, the physical distance should be maintained. Among the monks, among the upasak, upasika, they cannot touch each other. It is old, too old. Buddha told this, and Mahavir Swami Jain, the Jain Dhamma created. He created Jain Dhamma. He also told about this privacy for physical distance and mask on the mouth. Do you know Tathagat Buddha worked throughout the world and told education according to environment, and Mahavir Swami Jain told his Dhamma throughout India. The Buddha always thought that Dhamma is nature, Buddha is nature, Sangha is the follower of Buddha. He was as a Siddhartha Gautam in the forest of Lumbini, that was nature, and he left the room, left the home and searched the Dhamma in the forest, and he followed with 5 Brahmins near Bodh Gaya, Dhongeshwari. On the Dhongeshwari hill, he paused and practiced the natural Dhamma. All the 5 Brahmins, and he also practiced 8 dhyana, 8 jhana. After that, he realized that if I will dry my body and do hard, the natural Dhamma I cannot find. After deciding, he visited to Gaya forest. There he searched the Dhamma. Sujata given him kheer. He eaten the kheer and left the golden bowl in the Niranjana river. After that, he visited another place where he practiced 7 months in the Urvela forest and practiced the Dhamma. He practiced Pratit Samutpad and Dhamma Chakkapavatan Sutta. After that, he thought, Buddha thought that it is not able to say to others because very typical, very difficult to understand the Dhamma. Then he visited to, after some time, he decided, after thinking, that 5 monks who were with me, some are alive, I will go to Sarnath. He saw, Tathagat Buddha saw the Rishi Patan place where the monks were practicing there. He visited, and seeing the Buddha's nature and Buddha's Dhamma, Buddha came. So some monks decided to no honor, no give breakfast, no wash their feet, no give asana to sit, but Tathagat Buddha, as visit to them, they saw the natural Dhamma and natural light of Tathagat Buddha. The distance was 3 kilometers, near about 3 kilometers. At that time, the kilometer was not long. Visit, and one monk, after visiting there, reaching there, one monk given the asani and given the water and washed Tathagat Buddha's feet. After that, Abhivadan has done and given the breakfast. After that, told them about natural Dhamma. That place was also forest. Told about Dhamma. If you will see the 4 elements in the body, Prathavi, Vayu, Tapa, Jal, 4 elements. The body is built by 4 elements. You know that the sperm and ova of father and mother is built by 4 elements. By contact of mother and father, The sperm has gone in the ovary of mother womb, and born after 9 months. You know that sperm cannot survive in the ovary of mother without 4 elements. You should know that body is born by 4 elements. After death, we cremate the body, and the law of nature is Pathavi, Vayu, Tapa and Jal. Any element, if burn, then around of the element the magnetic energy create. The 4 elements magnetic energy create, and the time of sexual enjoyment, the energy attached with sperm and ova. You should aware sperm cannot survive without magnetic energy of 4 elements. It is law of nature. One scientist spoken and searched law of conservation. Nothing can be destroyed. Everybody, every element of the body and the world, that is permanent in the nature. Only temporary, not permanent. Every element is temporary, nothing is permanent. So we should think the body is also temporary, nothing is permanent. Buddha told that we should do good and delete bad from mind. If we will try to do good and delete bad from mind, you can see everything without eyes in the world. As you are seeing at present, by lockdown, the pollution has deleted. How many deleted, I cannot say, but most population deleted from environment. So you can see Himalaya from 200 kilometers, Himalaya hill can be seen at this time. Because pollution, the world pollution finished 50% from environment. So if which will delete inner pollution of mind. You can see everything in his nature. Modi, what he is doing? You can see. American Trump, what he is doing? You can see. Throughout world, if you delete pollution from mind, you can see. So you should aware on every moment and be self-controlled, self-discipline, and make physical distance and make food in time. We call Bhojana Beramni. I will tell you Panchashila. Tathagat Buddha told Panchashila you can practice and doing and seeing tan, man, bachan. You can do. Panad Patha Veramni Sikha Padang Samadhyami. I will not kill any creature. Second, Adinadana Veramni Sikha Padang Samadhyam. We can not steal anything of anyone. Kame Shumichachara Beramni Sikha Padang Samadhyami. Avoid illegal sex scandal. And monks should be brahmacharya, not any way attached to sex scandal. Only Sida Viman as his mother, sister, and as daughter. And fourth, Musabada Beramni Sikha Padang Samadhyami. I will not tell a lie. I will not tell a lie. And not speak useless words. And fifth, Panchashila Sura में रहे मज्जपमाद ठाना बेरमणी सिक्खा पतंग समाधियामी. कच्ची पक्की शराब तथा नशीली चीज़ें न लेने का, यानी don't use liquor in your life. I like wine, I like tobacco, I like any kinds of drugs. These are the Panchashila to follow. If you will follow this Panchashila, you will go to the Buddha's Dhamma. Buddha's Dhamma is nature. Buddha is nature, because every step he was in nature. You heard that Rishipattan, where Dhamma is discourse, that is nature. That was nature in the forest. And after that, he visited to Vaishali and discourse. Tathagata Buddha spoken that I will leave my body, leave the world on the Buddha Purnima. That was the natural place, Vaishali, that was forest, and Magh Purnima was the day. He decided. After that, visited to Kushinara under 2 sal trees. He has taken Nibbana. That was the nature. So Buddha is nature, nature is Dhamma, and Savak Sangha, Bhikkhu Sangha is the follower of nature. Are you seeing that here? Giving oxygen to all, either drinker or thief or criminal. Nature loves to all, and giving oxygen to plants, either sweet or any type. Or bitter. As like the Dhatura is a poisonous plant, giving oxygen to that plant, and giving to apple, giving to mango, and many kinds of trees, giving the oxygen, heat, and water. Pathabi always grow, all the plants are bitter or sweet, no allergy to anyone. So we should love to all, either sinner or good persons. Hate to sin and not to sinner. This is law of nature. The duty of Buddhist monks and Jaini Muni or any mendicant should be love to nature. What we are seeing, some monks are in jail of any dharma. I cannot say, I cannot criticize. They not followed natural dhamma. They not followed natural dhamma. So sadhus, all the monks murdered by lay people. Why? Because they doesn't know nature is self-controlled. They doesn't know hatred is not appeased by hatred. If they will know hatred is always appeased by not hatred, they will not kill anybody. So we have to practice Buddha's teachings. Naivairena vairani samanti kudachanang avairen vairen samanti येस धम्मो सनातन. सनातन धर्म क्या है? व्हाट इज द सनातन धम्मा? सनातन धम्मा इज लव टू एवरी क्रीचर. Hatred is not appeased by hatred. Hatred is appeased by non-hatred. It is law of nature. World is saying towards me, if we will do good, the nature will return to me good. One thinker told about this: if you will give best which you have, the nature will return to you which you have given best to you. So be love to all will love to me. If we will hate to anyone, he will hate you, they will hate you, and they murder you. Some persons are saying the Buddha giving best natural Dhamma, but they are not following. They are bound in the Sampradayik Dharma, in the forest of Sampradayik Dharma, as Hindu, as Muslim, as Christian, as Sikh. Why you are wandering hither and thither? If you will follow the Buddha's Panchashil, that will profitable to you, that will beneficial to you. Why not following? Amrit is present in your India and in the world. Why you are not following? You follow the Dhamma. Buddha told, that the lust of anyone burn to him. Every moment the world is burning. Tathagat Buddha told, कौन हासो किमानंदो यद्यपज्जलति सती. सारा संसार जल रहा है, काय का आनंद, काय की खुशी, and all the world is burning. Why you are enjoying? What is enjoyment when all are burning? Now we can see the coronavirus, the lakhs of the people died in the China, the old Buddha follower, but now he is communist, not following Buddha. And America, Indonesia, that was Buddhist country, now burning by corona. France, many countries are burning by coronavirus. Human race will be finished. Then what will you do? Now India has done good by locking India, nobody coming and going hither and thither. Only one wine shops open, that is the way against Buddhism, against humanity. Due to economic status, drinkers giving many money, destroys by destroying money his families. It is not good for India. India should earn from the capitalists and from the industries and many way, as like Bihar stopped the wine, so throughout India should be wine for physical distance and kindness on humanity. If Buddha's preaching are you following, your country will be strong. You can strong your country by making morality and deleting immorality. The Buddha's period, you see, remind India was the golden world. Why we are saying golden world? And all the 75% people of India was practicing meditation of Buddha. No misuse of time at that time. So India was golden world. Buddha is present in nature. As you reading Annihilation of Caste, oh, द्रव्य का अविनाशता का नियम, नॉट कास्ट, द्रव्य के अविनाशता का नियम। कोई चीज़ न नष्ट होती है, केवल रूप परिवर्तन होता है। सो तथागत बुद्धा टोल्ड अनिच्छाव संखारा उत्पाद वैधमिनो उपचित्वा निरुद्धन्ति तेषां भूप समा सुखो। न कोई चीज़ नष्ट होती है, ना नई जन्मती है, केवल रूप परिवर्तन, ओनली फेस चेंज। सो if we will speak, I will speak, that will be in the environment. So तथागत बुद्धा टोल्ड न परेशं विलोमान न परेशं कथा कथं आत्मनो वेखे कथानि कथानि च. We should not criticize to others and see self in the 3.5 hands measurement of body. You see, delete the rag, dvesh, moh, attachment and the enmity. Delete from mind, and you see the whole world is your brother and sister. It is fact. Then you see Modi is dear to all. Any prime minister, dear to all. We are abusing PM. PM is PM. You have given vote. You don't give any vote to bad elements and make best PM. But till PM duration, honor and give advice. You are doing by it. It is not good. It is. But I am seeing on Facebook, we are abusing as like ordinary person with bad words. We don't abuse to any PM and CM. Only suggest him if he is ignoring, then don't give vote and choose again other PM and CM. तो बुद्धा टोल्ड अको छिमंगा बधिमंगा जिनमंगा हासमे ए छतंग उपनिहंती ते संग बहिरंग न शांत सम्मति. बैर से बैर नहीं शांत होता है. यही सनातन धर्म है. साधु साधु साधु.